How to see your YouTube subscription list. Your subscription list helps you keep track of your favorite creators and their latest content. In this guide, I'll show you how to view your YouTube subscription list quickly and easily. Let's dive in. Launch your YouTube app. You'll land to the homepage. Now at the bottom, you're gonna find an option. Navigate to the option of subscriptions. Click on it. This tab is where you can find the latest videos from all the channels you have subscribed to. To see your full subscription list, tap on all given at the top right corner. This will then display all the channels you have subscribed to in one easy to scroll list. Clicking on this drop down, you can sort channels according to the relevance, activity, or A to Z. You can tap on any channel to view your latest content or manage your subscription settings. Clicking on the bell icon given at the right corner of each of the channel, you can disable notification, likewise unsubscribe to the channel. And that's how you view your YouTube subscription list. Keeping an eye on your subscription helps you stay up to date with your favorite channels. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more YouTube tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.